Hi everyone, my name is Claire Carson, and today I'm going to be talking a little bit about Seesaw, an all in one platform for early childhood educators. A little overview of the app. Seesaw is a digital platform that can be used to establish a creative classroom with open communication between teachers, students, and families. Their slogan is Seesaw keeps everyone in the learning loop. This platform is a one-stop shop for early childhood educators. It allows teachers to post assignments, journal entries, activities, assessments, as well as classroom updates that students and parents are able to view. Students are able to upload photos, drawings, and journal entries to share and collaborate with the class. Parents are able to see their students' work as they complete it, as well as assignments that have been graded. Seesaw allows easy communication between parents and teachers. Teachers can also post announcements to the entire class, to specific students, or message parents individually. What does it offer to teachers and to students? Well, just to name a few, for teachers, it offers streamlined communication, real-time assessment, digital portfolios/journal posting, pre-made activities, as well as activity templates. As for students, it offers multimodal submissions, creativity/individuality, new and fun ways to engage within the classroom, feedback from teachers, as well as support for diverse learners. A few tools that are specific to Seesaw are practicing the hand, dragging items, illustrating on journal entries or maybe even on assignments, practice changing the background, using a glow pen, inserting shapes, practicing a microphone, a camera, a highlighter, a video, or a pen. Now let's talk about classroom integration. I would be using Seesaw almost every single day within my classroom, but just to name a few specific examples of when I would use it for whole class warm-ups at the beginning of class, for individualized assessments that can self-grade, as well as for individualized assignments/extra practice to monitor progress and to give extra assignments to students who may need it, and increased participation from less talkative students that may not want to speak out, as well as increased creativity and individuality, since students are able to draw and upload pictures on their assignments. Lastly, I would be using it to message parents and also making classroom announcements. I would be using Seesaw as the one platform to make communication as simple as possible. Now, let's practice using Seesaw. Now I'm going to be showing you how to use Seesaw a little bit more specifically. Right now I'm logged in as a teacher, so let me show you some of the different things you can do. First, you can post student work through photos, drawings, videos, upload from your Google Drive or Photos, add a note, or a web link. Next, you can create activities. You can insert the name here, either creating it from scratch or using AI to generate it for you. Upload files, links, or any of the following right here. I can also upload assessments that can be auto-graded, which will be very, very helpful for me in the future, as well as adding instructions that students can view and find at any time at the top of the activity. I also can add teacher notes that will be not visible to the students, and what I think is the coolest aspect to this application is that I can change the language if I need to. Next, messaging families. I posted this announcement that says, "Welcome to first grade. Please come to class with one item you would like to share with the class." This can be something that is important to you or just something you would like to talk about. Obviously, this would be geared more towards the parents of the students because they will probably not be able to read this, but just to keep parents in the loop of what we're going to be doing in class and how to make sure that their student comes prepared. Something else super cool about this app specifically is that it has Find Ready to Teach activities specifically for first grade. It lets you pick which grade you're going to be teaching when you first log in, and then you can look up any subject or topic you're wanting to teach. For my example, I'm going to go to this one. It's solving part-whole models. I can either present this to the class, we can work on it as a whole, or I can assign it to each student. I'm going to present it to the class. It's going to give me the little instructions, and then it will show up like this. I can use any of these tools. I'll use this little pen. I can fill this out while I teach it to my students. Or I could even have my students come up here and we could work through the problem together. This will be a super fun way to get students to participate because, of course, everyone wants to write on the whiteboard. The next thing I'm going to show you is what Seesaw will look like from a student perspective. It's going to look like this, where I have a class journal, my activities, and also my notifications. When I go to my activities, I'll see what I need to work on. I can go ahead and edit it right here. Same thing as when I'm presenting it, I'm able to see the instructions, hit next, and then edit it. Obviously, I already started this, but I just used the pen and then I filled out this information about me. Once I'm done, all I have to do is click the green done check mark, and it is all done. It's sent to my teacher and then she can grade it from there. Same with this one, editing the item, same as I did in the last clip, but I would just be able to fill it out. I would be able to just fill it out and then upload it so that my teacher can grade it. It's pretty simple from a student perspective. And the very last thing I'm going to show you today is what it will look like once your students submit their assignments. You can go ahead, go to the activities, view the responses, and then I can either approve them all or go into them individually. Here I can like it and also add a comment. I previously added a comment, but I will do it just again to show you. I'll click post, then I can either approve it, send it back, or I can delete the assignment altogether. And it is as easy as that. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope this was helpful. Goodbye.